Hey everyone, this is Amal from VNCproject team. In this video, I'm gonna mention two important information related to workload. The first one matters for human resources. Imagine if your company includes 50 employees or 100 or even more, and you want to specify the availability for every employee. This is gonna be too much work for human resources if they want to log into every user's profile one by one. And to make it easier for them and to save the time, we made available default values for employees. And if you log in here into Redmine workload plugin, and you get to see every day what is the default value. In our case, we made it 8 hours on Monday for all employees by default. Tuesday 8, like 5 days a week. On weekend, we expect employees not to work, so we made it 0. These will be the default values. If you go into the user's profile and change it, for example, from 8 to 4 to 1 or 2 employees, then 4 will be saved. This is the first info. The second info that I want to mention here in this video is the workload maximum days limit. In a previous video, we mentioned that in our case, by default, we allow workload to be viewed only within 30 days, 10 days also in the past. And the reason was due to performance. So we don't exhaust the system of VNC project. But in your case, if you are hosting VNC project on a server where the hardware is able to handle too many processes at the same time, then this value can be changed. You can increase it and to make it 100 days that you want to see the workload within. You can make it 200. You can make it as much as you want to the days that you want to see. Currently, it's 30 days, as you can see here also. Maximum 30 days, 10 days in the past. I'm gonna change this and make it 40, okay? And let's see what's gonna happen. So I choose 40 and click on apply. And here, I'm gonna refresh my workload. And see here, now it's maximum 40 days, 10 days in the past. To test it, today's date is the 28th of March. I'm gonna choose let's say the 1st of March, which is like more than 10 days. I'm gonna just see the system, what's gonna happen with the system. It did not accept it. It let me stay on today's date. So that means that it did not accept me to see the 1st of March because it's more than 10 days in the past. I'm gonna try now with the 18th, which is like 10 days in the past, and see if it accepts it. Yes, it accepted. I can see it here, the 18th of March. Let's try, okay, today's date is, as we said, the 28th of March. I'm gonna try to see a date like really far away from now. Let's see, 14th of July. And then click apply, see what's gonna happen. Okay, the system did not allow me to see the workload on July, but it showed me the maximum date in the future that I can see my workload within, which is the 7th of May. This is would be 40 days within the 40 days period that the system allows you. The maximum day that I can see my workload within. As you can see here on the 18th of March, I had one ticket that I was supposed to work on. My estimate time for it was 2 hours, and I was supposed to start on it on the 18th of March, and I did not work on it. The percentage done so far was 0%. This is it for this video. In the next video, we're gonna see and have a closer look on the tickets, how they would look specifically on the workload and how you can manage them from the workload itself. Thank you for listening.